Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Trouble in paradise bafethu. The Citizen ireporta ukuthi kunenkinga between iKaizer Chiefs noNtwara. Kuthiwa-ke uNtwara ayisekho i-future yakhe laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. I-future yakhe iku-doubt. Ama-speculations-ke aphumile between kuthiwa-ke kune-fall out between abo-coach beKaizer Chiefs noNtwara. Why? Because of uNtwara warefusa laphana ukuphuma. Sikhumbule ukuthi already iKaizer Chiefs seyilokhunjani seyipromote ama-co-coaches laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ulokhunjana uBenny noCedric ukuthi yibo abazolida iKaizer Chiefs until the end of the season. So babona lo goalkeeper as umuntu ongekho ku-future yeKaizer Chiefs. Baphinde bayabhala laphana bathi njengoba uJanuary u-approacha kanje kusho ukuthi bazozama iplan ukuthi bam-offloade around uJanuary because abamboni as ipart enkulu yeKaizer Chiefs. But I mean, ziyakhala. But at the same time, I would agree with abo-coach beKaizer Chiefs because kusho ukuthi uyababonisa ukuthi akababoni in fact. Sike sayibona le nto le bafethu kuthiwa umuntu uyarefusa ukusubstitute because o-coach yibo abadecide ukuthi bafaka bani, yibo abadecide ukuthi ba-change kanjani. If ucoach ufila ngathi kumele alethe omunye umuntu owenza kangcono because le nto le izokhosa i-conflicts laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. If bayamkhipha uSireno ngelinye ilanga angafuni ukuphuma bazothini ngempela because abantu baya-substitute. Umuntu bayamkhipha bafowethu, but-ke yena zange warefusa ukuphuma laphana. Even if abantu bathi uVuma bengeke asave penalty, i-strike ama-penalty iyabheda, yes iyabheda, but let ucoach aluzele yena ucoach. uNtwara walisave ipenalty elilodwa but you'll never know ukuthi bekuyilanga lakaVuma because i-decision eyabo coach kumele baziluzele, hayi ukuthi i-player lizenzele nje laphana. So yeah, ama-reports-ke bafowethu leya fallout beyi-serious. I-technical team yeKaizer Chiefs before i-FIFA break kuthiwa-ke before i-FIFA break kwabonakala laphana kuKaizer Chiefs ukuthi hayi ukuthembana akusekho. Umdlali siyambona laphana eRwanda bafethu uyavimba. Uvimbile against iBenin, wavimba against iSouth Africa la concede khona amagoli. Futhi akhelesa amagoli wakhona, uhluleke nje ukulithipha ibhola esayidini but-ke ziyenzeka izinto ezinje ebholeni. But-ke awu-2 la thinta isandla sakhe angena. Awukhipha, I mean obvious after lapho abanye abantu bathe hayi it can't be the Kaizer Chiefs number 1. Naye ngathi uyafanela nje nalaba benza amaphutha o-goalkeeper. So and sikhumbula ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs imsane ngemali serious. So I mean obviously-ke the Citizen ithi uNtwari bekunama surprises ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs i-decide ukuthi ku-last outing yabo angabi khona, abe absent. Bareporta kanjalo, yes abe absent laphana in terms of ukudlala izinto ezinjalo. So kukhuphuka ama-speculations laphana kuthiwa lo goalkeeper ona-26 namakhosi or iKaizer Chiefs kunenkinga. Since ajoyina laphana kuKaizer Chiefs bafethu start of the season last season, yes ustrugglile vele ukuthi abe u-number 1 goalkeeper and ama-reports athi iKaizer Chiefs yamsana ngo-5 million. Ngikhumbula ubani Kaizer Motaung athi kuzoba uyi-goalkeeper omkhulu kuKaizer Chiefs whatever but-ke uVuma bekawu-number 1 and then after uVuma kwaba uPeterson number 1 kusho ukuthi akusu-goalkeeper abamthembayo overall laphana. So yeah, izinto zivele zaba worse laphana ku-Carling knockout after i-defeat yabo. I mean uku-eda yonke lento eyenzakala kuKaizer Chiefs bafethu, u-head coach waseRwanda lo coach lo uyangena kulezi zinto ze-Chiefs njalo uhlezi ekhuluma. Recently-ke manje ukhuluma uthi uNtwara uthi iKaizer Chiefs ilo ifuna imali eningi for i-player laphana, maningi ama-team am-reacha out kuye athi afuna i-player but iKaizer Chiefs yona ifuna imali eningi. Ngabe wahamba kuKaizer Chiefs kwasha kwacima. So as a result-ke iKaizer Chiefs imdrobhile from isquad esitravele laphana uya ku-CAF. But bekangekho laphana kuSimba bafethu, angisibonanga isquad sonke mina, maybe bekhona or maybe angekho but-ke i-The Citizen esho kanje bafethu, I'm just quoting yona overall. But yeah, i-future yakhe kuKaizer Chiefs kuthiwa lana bafethu ayisekho, iphelile nya. So mbona Versajima because there is no way ukuthi ahambe manje bafethu overall. But yeah kunzima kakhulu bafethu, it's very difficult for yena ukuthi ahlale laphana kuKaizer Chiefs. But kusho ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs naye undecisive bafethu. Hayi mina ngiyazi i-team undecisive kanje, ngithi undecisive because iKaizer Chiefs beyine-opportunity ukuthi i-release yena umfowethu laphana during ilokhunjani transfer window ne. But bona iKaizer Chiefs zange bamrelease. Why? Bebafuna ukurekhupha imali yabo back. Siya-understand but manje bahleli ne-problem. I-problem abangayazi ukuthi bazoyenzani because of uhola imali eningi, number one, ku-big contract but still abamreleasanga. Babenawo ama-options ukuthi bam-offload but badicide ukuthi bangam-offload. Asazi ukuthi i-long term yabo i-Kaizer Chiefs bokuyini because kudala ama-speculations bafethu kuthiwa bamfuni no-Coach Nabi. Bekuphuma ama-reports athi u-Coach Nabi ulokhunjana uNtwara akekho nokuba khona kuma-plans we-Kaizer Chiefs or kuma-plan wakhe. Kudala lama-speculations lawa aphuma. And enye into past few days i-coach yase-Rwanda ithe ezinye izinto ziyahlekisa ama-sure ama-coach cause zi-reckless. Uthe i-coach yelokhunjana utheni? Uthe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs why bangamdlalisi uNtwari because of u-goalkeeper o-good. Uthi kungcono kube kunabo-goalkeeper ababhethe laphana but-ke for yena uNtwari number one, is one of the best goalkeepers on the continent. Akayiboni i-reason yokuthi why angadlali laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Leyo nto leyo izoyenzani i-team bafethu? If mina ngivimbela i-Kaizer Chiefs ngu-goalkeeper ngizwa iy'ndaba ezikanje and then he went on to say uyakhuluma no-goalkeeper laphana about i-situation yakhe yaku-Kaizer Chiefs and lo coach lo we-national team uyi-problem bafethu. Uthi uyabafonela abo-coach be-Kaizer Chiefs akhulume nabo about i-situation. So bekaphusha ukuthi ngempela ulo Ntwara adlale ngenkani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Unfortunately akadlalanga. Unfortunately or fortunately akadlalanga laphana uNtwari for i-Kaizer Chiefs for some time, even though bekaloku aphusha. And ekhantrini yakhe still u-number one. Uvimba nje njalo, undisputed number one. Uhlezi evimba kuma-international break or mabayidlala laphana e-0-1. But amanye ama-speculations abanye abantu sebaspekulate ukuthi hayi maybe i-agent lakhe lo muntu lo. Why kunama-questions ukuthi why would abantu abafuna uNtwari ba-contact i-national team? It's like umuntu ofuna uRelem Mofokeng a-contact u-coach weBafana Bafana. Yenza i-sense nayo leyo nto leyo cause ayenzi i-sense at all. There's something off about uNtwari no-coach wakhe laphana waku-national team yaku-Rwanda. Maybe he wants to gain something ngaye. That is why am-marketa kanje. Because ayikho into esiyizwayo from la coach loyo kula coach loyo. Into esiyizwayo we only hear izinto if umenshina i-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela. Kula athola khona i-media attention. Without umenshina kwe-Kaizer Chiefs akayitholi i-media attention. That is why abantu abaningi bavele bazimentionele i-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu. Abo-coach nabo ungaba u-coach o-professional but ube reckless kanje. Ezinye izinto ziyathusa masiyibona or sizizwa bafowethu. It's sad but it is what it is bafethu. Sithembe ukuthi uNtwari la azoya khona if ku-Kaizer Chiefs abasolve iy'ndaba zabo, la azoya khona uzokwazi ukubehave. Ngicabanga uhlala almost unyaka ungavimbi. The minute bakunika i-chance ukuthi uvimbe bafuna ukukukhipha wena awufuna ukuphuma. Yini ibizwani leyo nto le? Kuthiwani ngempela bafowethu? Bafuna ukuku-replace ukuthi bafake amanye ama-players ababona ngathi well equipped azokwazi ukuperforma. I-decision ye-coach bafethu, that is why kuyi-manager yakho. So phuma, gobisa umsila wakho mfethu, go outside, you try next time. Ungazenzi isikhokho la but asibambeni lana bafethu. Singaze sikhulume kuze kuhle. Danko ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. It's making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.